This is the easy way to play How Deep Is Your Love by Bee Gees so that you can sing along.
It's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love?
Now there are 4 parts to learn, and if you can play them, you can play the entire song. So the first thing you're going to play, an E flat major chord, then just move the top right hand note to make an E major 7 chord, go to an A flat major 7 chord, and then A flat over B flat, like that. Those 4 chords make the first part. One more time. So like this, E flat major 7 to A flat major 7, and then A flat over B flat. Part 2 goes back to that E flat chord, then to a G minor 7 chord, an F minor 7 chord, a C7, then back to these 2 chords, F minor 7, G minor 7, and A flat over B flat that we played in the first part. Then we go back to an E flat chord, G minor 7 again, and we've got the C minor 7 chord, then 2 more, F minor 7 chord, then an A flat over B flat. To see the timing of how those chords go, have a look at the demonstration at the end of this video. Part 3, we've got this A major 7 chord, then a G minor 7 chord again, once again the F minor 7 chord, and we've got this juicy D flat major 7 chord, going back to the G minor 7, finishing on the A flat over B flat again. They really love this chord in the song, A flat over B flat. Finally, the last section, E flat major chord to an E flat major 7, A flat major 7 chord, to listen to this, A flat minor 6. Whoa, it sounds so good. Back to your E flat chord, and then this E flat 7 over D flat. Wow, it's a lot of tension there. Then we go to this C7 chord, to an F minor 7, then this lovely A flat minor 6 chord again, finally resolving on that E flat chord. So if you can learn those 4 parts, you can actually play the entire song. Let me show you how those pieces fit together and also how the timing of those chords go.
Know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me.